Frank Hogan, aka Picasso, aka I'm too sexy for this world. Togmaker. We here at Togmaker booth. This our fourth installment of the Togmaker booth, where we do 50 free t-shirts a day. If you haven't seen us in the city near you, make sure you pull up, because we do everywhere we go. It's all about giving back. Let me do that again without saying because I gotta make it friendly for the kids. We do this stuff everywhere we go. We just trying to give back to, our fellow creators and squad, people that come and support us. We support them. So we done been roaming around with Sneakercon, basically giving away t-shirts in every city we stop in. So we got a gang print. Basically people come through, they see me, they get a free t-shirt. And all they gotta do is follow us on Instagram. That's it. That's the easiest free stuff you ever got. Button tap, boom, done. So yeah, I got a Blade Runner coat on today because I was feeling real Midwestern. So here we're gonna see how this goes. Sneakercon, Chicago, day one. Togmaker, squad, gang, gang, gang. Stay tuned with y'all, giving y'all this shit. All we want from y'all is y'all attention on your timeline from Monday to Friday. Alright? That's all I'm saying. Straight like that. What's your name, B? Brandon. Don't give me a timeline. Looking at this shit. Who doesn't know his phone number, fam?
0522, that's what it is.
What the hell?
I don't know.
It's all good, man. It's an early day. What size you need? So what you want? Front?
Front.
Gotcha. We'll text you when it's ready. All right, bet for sure. Hold on, wait. Hold the hell up. Why he ain't got no shirt? Why you ain't get no shirt?
I can get a shirt.
Hey, Elliot, we met up like 2 years ago and been rocking ever since.
On the screen when I print, but I don't put so much that I'm like jamming ink through. It's like somewhere in between. It's like 50 to 65%. You don't want to be pushing so much you smash it out. You don't want to push so light you're not touching it. It's like just enough. And then when you do the flooding, when I like distribute the ink, it's really light, it's really gentle. I'm just trying to like glaze the top, like kiss it, like cover everything so it's saturated and covered with ink. And then that way in between shirts, my screen isn't like drying in the air because we're using water-based stuff because we're on, we're on site. So I'm not going to be using anything with oil or hazardous chemicals in it. Like, we're doing the same thing, but we got to adjust it for on-site printing. So it's like similar but different.
We are live in Chicago. I'm about tired.
Sponge, he done been rocking with me for like ever. He came on scene and we just been rocking because I don't go for bullshit. Sponge, he was like 16 on some real and his mama be like, I trust you with my baby. So I be having to make sure I keep him in positive environments. Cause I mean, we get a little crazy every now and then, but for the most part, like I said, where if you can go ahead and get these bucks now, you get to be, great later. So it's like, we're greater later. You feel me?
Hey yo. Hey yo.
Alright, so right now I'm just drying off the ink. We got water-based ink, so heat gun should do it. You just gotta, give it some heat real quick, dry up this ink, and then boom, we should be good to go. Maybe about a minute or two. You make sure nothing comes up.
So since Dallas, I've been looking for this cloth. I literally been looking for it since Dallas. I was ready to cuss Will out about it too. Cause I thought they had lost it or somebody had stole the art. But you done took and made a guy chain real out of it.
I did that. Hey man, but I didn't know.
This basically what he did was he took this poppin' artist not knowing who it was and cut it up.
Hey,
Zoom
man,
in on
all respect to the artist.
Zoom on his forehead. Bro.
All respect to the artist, but that canvas had to get sold.
Legendary!
I'm ready for a shirt.
We got a special guest in the house, legendary and stuff by the legendary! I have made it. I have arrived. I feel like we ain't linked up since what? The last time we kind of did this was in Denver, like
That was
2
like
years ago.
That was really 2 years ago?
That was mad long ago, bro. Oh, Joe, come and see me! Legendary!
On the vlog, it's on record now. We're
He ain't got
visiting.
no choice. The next vlog, they gonna come to my shop and see a pig. They gonna come visit the pig.
Oh yeah, you get the little.
I got
the
that
big
thing.
pic now,
It,
right?
like it sets with air, but it takes a little bit longer to set. You know what I'm saying?
That doesn't work.
Yeah, I got to see one.
I wonder why you want to.
Story. That's the day that I hate. We ain't got no more shirts after him. So now here's the deal. Hold on, you can buy the shirts. You can buy these all day, but the free shirts, man's is the last one. All right. Now here's my consolation. I don't know how long we're gonna be here. Majority of the time, we got don't come and pick this shit up. So if they don't come and pick their shit up, just come and see me at the end of the day. Alright, that's the best I can do. They give us 50 a day to do, we do 50 a day. They don't pay us enough to do any extras. But I'd be more than happy to get y'all a shirt if we got anything left over, alright? So we'll see y'all in the next few. Y'all made it. Congratulations, you won. Alright? So, name. You following us on the gram, Mr. Louis Bag? Sponge Caribbean been working all day. Me and Elliot work all day regardless. We in New York. Sponge be taking breaks and naps. He don't take snack. He doesn't do snack. He's a great man. But we're gonna get his power crystals and his HP up by the end of the year. Me and Elliot trying to get him up to like 999 or somewhere around that area. You feel me?
Be one of those 100 people, bro.
There's only 50 people, first of all.
It was 50? Oh, it was 50 people?
You gonna be here tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm gonna be here tomorrow.
So come early tomorrow.
Okay,
Do 50 a day.
Okay, I'm bending in.
No, so if you tomorrow, come early. Come early.
Yeah, my girl, this is what my girl wants. She was like, yo, you need to get me that free t-shirt.
Like that too. Real nigga. Now, like, going on 3, and we pretty much done. With like getting the people in and getting them out. So that's like the most important part of the day, is making sure the people that come through to patronize Sneakercon get what they came here for, which is a good experience, a chance to meet up with people that they put on social media, i.e. myself and the gang and shit. So it's just like, to me this is like, I love this shit. I feel like everybody got a purpose and a calling, and mine is to deal with the world. I love hanging out with folks. It makes me smile, genuinely. It's showtime now. Alright, so I'm about to go out here and be the MC, but I need a pin to start.
Gang boy.
And we got the shoes too, if y'all don't fuck with the
He paid the ticket, but he paid the cost to be the boss. like I'm a very loyal person when it comes to like my journeys of like taking people with you, and I also feel like you should also be able to hold your standard or whatever it is you're trying to go to help everybody else out. They should be able to respect that too. If you're gonna be the leader, they're gonna put their trust in you to do that. So a lot of my friends and people that's close to me, I work with them, and the people that I do work with, it's because they understood, you know, the mission that we was on to get to where we going. And we still ain't there yet, but it's good to have a squad of around you that, you know, is helping y'all get to where y'all want to go. So that's really what it is. That's what Togmaker is about. That's what Rax Hogan is about. You know, and that's what these events is about. Coming up, meeting up.
Look.
Hey Rex, we have your mask. How much do you want to give us for it? Hold on, this is my man Jordan right here. He represents Walk USA. They got a cool brand.